What if you could launch a full-fledged website of your own without getting your coffee cold? Now that looks like a work of creative genius. Building a website used to mean hiring experienced designers, learning coding, and working on weird and limited templates. But now, AI website designers have completely changed the dynamics. You can now design a full website on them in minutes, and also they can help you in publishing them. You just need to tell the AI what you want, just like you are explaining it to your friend, and boom, the magic will happen and your website will be ready. I've tried over 20 AI website builders, used almost every of the feature and created website just by using prompts. Well, hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Himanshu. You're watching Get Assist, and today I'll provide you top 7 platforms that actually shocked me. This list might save you hundreds of dollars and weeks of frustration, and together we'll be building real websites on each of them. So by the end of the video, you will be learning which one suits you the best. So let's get started. Let's start with our first platform, that is Readdy.ai, a clean and modern tool that allows the AI to do all the heavy lifting. Create a 5-page website for Lotus Café, warm orange colors, pages for home, menu, about, events and contact, and add a book or table button. And within 2 minutes, I get a really good website. Honestly, I'm really impressed with the output because you don't get a really good website without coding. And this one, pretty cool. You can preview, edit text inline, and publish it on a free subdomain. Overall, Readdy is good with templates, SEO basics, custom domain supports, and automated content generation. So if you want a fast and pretty website, then this one a good start. Okay, next one is Lovable.ai, and this one literally feels like chatting with a designer friend. You just need to talk with the chatbot AI there, and it will design the website for you. It offers free starter options with limited projects, which is a great one to start, like you're a freelancer and you need to make a portfolio for you. So we'll make one for you. Let's see. Build a 1-page portfolio for Roy, a freelancer designer. Add a hero section, portfolio gallery, services, and contact form. Look at that, the AI is typing back. It's having a conversation. It's building everything in real time, from layout and colors to content. You can also edit things quickly. Just ask the chatbot to add things or remove stuff or change this thing or change that thing, and it will give you the desired results. The paid plan for Lovable starts with $25, and if you are a designer or freelancer, then this will be a great one for you. Now the next one is Bolt.AI Builder, for those who want a complete product, not just a site. It got hosting, backends, and analytics all at one place, and with its free version, you get unlimited projects, but it's enough to tell you what power it holds. Let's find out together. Say the prompt while typing, generate a SaaS landing page for TaskFlow. Headline: organize tasks in 3 clicks, include pricing table with free pro and team features, Kanban, integrations with Slack and Google. Add sign up form and testimonial section 2. Is it done? Yeah, that was quick. Now you can add up things and change them according to your requirement, and Bolt will help you with it. Now here's a cool part. Bolt lets you deploy right from the dashboard. Click deploy and your live link is ready. Its paid plan starts from $25 per month, and it's a great place when you have an idea and you want to launch and do everything just at one place. Now let's move on to something more fun. That's Banani.co, a tool which is great for designers. It's more like an AI design studio. Just browse its website and you'll learn what I'm talking about. Let's try to make something cool. Create a homepage UI for GreenStall, an organic grocery brand. Add hero, product cards, newsletter, and promo banner. Now you can see that Banani created a Figma-like mockup and a beautiful UI components. You can click components, export to Figma or HTML, CSS. Banani offers free UI generation, which are of course limited. If you want to generate more and unlimited access, then you have to get the paid version of it, which has a $20 per month subscription. So if you like a pixel perfect design, then Banani is a dream for you. Alright, next one is a bit of geeky, but I loved it. I'm talking about Replit, a platform which is almost like an AI coding playground. Replit is for people who want to code plus AI help. Means it can create sites as well as host them. So let's make one. See, what we can do here is create a React single page site for XYZ Co with hero, features, pricing and contact section. Here the AI literally writes the code, run it and shows the live preview instantly. It's perfect if you want to tweak stuff or add logic later. If you are a developer, you will feel right at home here. Replit's free startup plan allows you to build public apps, gives you limited build time and provides some AI agents too. Whereas its paid version allows you a maximum range of all of these stuff at $20 per month. The next one is B0.app, and honestly it's a futuristic one. You can describe an entire website on it. It helps you to build the UI and backends. It can handle things better than I handled my last relationship. Yep, I'm sad but excited at the same time. So let's move on and check this out. Build a multi-page landing plus blog for Kala prints, art prints, include homepage, shop page, blog list, checkout with strip test mode and admin CMS to add prints. You can see that it can create UI, backend logic and you can deploy instantly and connect your domain. V0 has free plans to try on credits and model access to build. Its paid version has a $20 per month subscription and it's good for those who want all-in-one in just one, and it's good for those who want all products all-in-one at just one place from one tool. And the last one but not the least one is MagicPath.ai. It feels like your instant front-end designer. You just need to tell it the layout and it will give you the website for you. The website made from this tool will be clean and responsive. Let's give it a try and give it a prompt. Design a responsive landing page with Swasthya Clinic sections, hero, services, doctors, book appointment form, patient testimonials. Keep design simple, blue and white palette. Now you can adjust colors, move sections and export HTML, CSS. It has a free trial and a paid version where the pro version starts from $20 per month. It's for those who want to generate their front end faster, or you can hand it over to your dev or export HTML. So which one you should try? If you are a small business owner, then Lovable and Readdy is for you. If you are a startup or want to make an app, then Bolt and V0 is perfect one for you. They are next level. And if you are a designer, then MagicPath and Banani can be the one that you are looking for. And if you want control, definitely you will love Replit. Honestly guys, AI website builders have come a really long way, and now it's your turn to learn and prompt and build your website on your own. I've added all the prompts and the website links in the description, and you should try them yourself and tell me which one was the perfect one for you and you loved the most. And that's all in this video about top AI platforms to build your own website. And if you find this video useful and informative, which it is actually, then hit the like button, comment down your thoughts and queries, and I will meet you in the next one. Subscribe to get tips for more such content. See you in the next one.